Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to share with you 5 tips that will make sure your smartphone lasts longer. So whether you're using the iPhone or an Android phone, these tips will work for you. Let's go. Tip number 1 is to check your charging habits to avoid overcharging. Science tells us to keep our phones between 20 and 80%. Now, going lower than 20% and charging it all the way back to 100 isn't good for your battery. Now, I have a friend and we had the same iPhone the same time, and this is the screenshot from his battery health, and this is my battery health still at 100%. And mind you, what I kept doing is keeping my phone charged between 20 and 80%. He lets his phone deplete all the way down and let it charge all the way back to 100, which isn't good for your battery. If you want to resell that phone in the long run, it will come lower in price, and also it won't serve you for longer. So keep your phones charged between 20 and 80%. That is the optimal range for your battery. Tip number 2 is to update your phones regularly. I don't know why people get their smartphones and don't want to do regular software updates. These tech companies push out software updates to keep you safe from vulnerabilities and scammers. Like everyone wants to get access to your bank accounts. Regular updates helps give you that protection and keeps your privacy in check, which is good. A regular update can also solve bugs on your phones, make your phone run faster and better optimized for the long run. Tip number 3 will be to use a good case on your smartphone and a good screen guard. Now, there are cases that are military graded of about 10 feet drop. If your phone drops and you're using those type of cases, it wouldn't crack. I cannot overemphasize the good use of a good screen guard on your phone. You can't see it, but I'm currently using a very good screen guard on my phone. And you know what they say about glass? Glass is glass, and glass what? Breaks. So using a good screen guard and a good screen protector on your phone helps it against scratches, drops, also combined with a good case. This has to go in combination. Without one or the other, your phone is likely to get broken either way. So invest in a good case. Tip number 4 will be to delete unused apps. We all have it. One app that's been sitting at the bottom corner of our phones just collecting storage. We don't use this app, so why not take it away and keep the storage of your phone open rather than it being collected? Cache is going, it's running resources on your phone, slowing the phone down, bogging it down. Don't take away that app. Take it away. Don't use it. Delete it. You don't use it anyway, so why keep it on your phone? Tip number 5 would be to avoid extreme temperatures and environment. Now, have you noticed on a very hot day when the sun is blaring down on your phone and you're taking lots of pictures, that the phone actually does heat up, performance drops, and it gets really uncomfortable to use? That's because the optimum temperature to use our phones is between 0 degrees Celsius to about 35 degrees Celsius. Now, going higher and using these phones in higher than 35 degrees isn't good on your smartphone and really does drop performance. You see the phone actually do struggle. So use your phone less during very hot temperatures and your phone will thank you later. Those were 5 tips that will actually make your phone last as long as possible. So as long as you stick to them, your smartphone will last you a very long time until you're actually ready to change it. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Peace.